You think your body is symmetrical? It's not. From the outside, everything seems perfectly balanced: eyes, ears, arms, legs, all lined up in neat pairs. Yet inside, symmetry fades away. X-ray images reveal the truth: almost nothing beneath your skin is matched or mirrored. Start with the heart. It sits askew, just left of center, protected behind the ribs. The liver claims most of the right side, a heavyweight beside a stomach that curves to the left. The lungs? Unequal partners. The right lung is broad, split into 3 lobes. The left has only 2, shaped to make room for the heart. Even the kidneys tilt the balance. The right one sits lower to accommodate the liver, while the left nestles higher. So, how does this organized asymmetry begin? It all starts long before birth. In the early embryo, waves of chemical signals sweep across the tiny body, marking out left from right. This molecular choreography, led by signals like nodal, directs each organ where to grow, ensuring nothing overlaps or crowds out another. The result, a body that fits together efficiently, allowing each system's circulation, breathing, digestion to work its best. Occasionally, these signals reverse, and the body builds itself as a mirror image. This rare condition is called situs inversus. Most people with this reversal feel no different. They might only learn about it by chance, during a scan or surgery. Symmetry on the surface is a clever disguise. Inside, your body is imbalanced. It's optimized. Tiny fact: Studiox.